गेले काही दीस कुडचऱ्यार कंप्लेनी आयिल्ली आसा सेंट्रल बँक ऑफ इंडिया काकोडा ब्रांच हाजे बद्दल की थंयसर एक फ्रॉड जाल्लें आसा म्हणून हाजे बद्दल आमचे कडेन कुडचरे पुलीस स्टेशनाचेर 4 कंप्लेनी सध्या रजिस्टर जाल्ली आसा. ह्या 4 कंप्लेनींनी आमी पळयता की जी बायल मनशां आसा हू आर मोर सिनियर सिटीजन्स 65 years old 69 years old हांकां डिफ्रॉड केल्ले आसा. हातून एक तांच्यांनी दिल्ल्या कंप्लेनी प्रमाणे की there is one lady called Tanvi Vast. She is a representative of Vision India and she is in Central Bank of India, Kurchorem branch, Kakoda. She used to assist all these people in aiding to get the work done in the bank, assisting them. At the first complaint I had, the lady called Rosalina Crore. She is a patient of cancer undergoing treatment. She said that her money 5,50,000 has been transferred by this Tanvi in her own account from her bank account in the Central Bank of India. As well as she had kept some gold of hers in the locker, and that gold, when she had gone for keeping it, the tiffin which was carrying the gold, she had put the gold, has been exchanged. And when she saw that, when she was bringing it back, she found that the gold was exchanged and it was not her real gold. It was a fake gold which was put. So in this connection, we have registered the offence. The lady Tanvi, wife of Harish, she has been arrested. She is in police custody remand for 2 days. Now, during interrogation, we came to know that she had found this gold kept on mortgage, Dhanavarsha Gold Loan, Kurchore branch. That's the agency. And तांचेकडे gold दवरिल्ले and all her gold has been recovered. The gold is gold chain, gold with gold lockets and all, 2 bangles, broad gold bangles, and necklaces and bracelets. All is 159.56 grams, all worth rupees 18,45,000. We have already recovered from this Dhanavarsha gold loan Kurchore branch. In other 2 cases, the cases have also come against the branch manager of the Central Bank of India, that he was the one, as per the complainants, who was facilitating these old people to go to this Tanvi and get their work done, instead of sending them to the regular employees of the bank. Now this Tanvi, as per the investigation, is not the regular employee of the bank. She is a recovery agent through Vision India platform. So now the accused branch manager, namely Anand Ganpat Jadhav, he is a native of Satara, Maharashtra. He also is arrested and he is also in 2 days police custody remand. Now, in this case, there are yesterday 2 complaints registered. Today morning, there is one more complaint also registered against the branch manager as well as against this Tanvi, having swindled the money transferred into her accounts and swindled. And definitely the facilitator, as per all these complaints, is the manager, who is all the time asking, go work and do your work. As well as when FDs were asked, the FD sheet was asked, the manager is to say that it will be given to you by Tanvi. So now, today morning, from morning now, we have received 17 applications from other people, wherein totally around 51 lakh rupees have been defrauded by both of them as per the complaint. So we are examining this shortly for taking further course of action. We have just received the applications from afternoon now. So the total amount what as of now, 4 cases already registered, 17 application. It's 1,29,51,000 rupees that is presently currently on record. This money has been cheated for and transferred into their accounts.
17 complaints.
17 applications. Those are the complaints which have come.
Madam, can you give me the details of that both FIR? Both the complainant and how much?
Yes. The complainant's name here is Sushma, wife of Dinesh Kumar Asthana. She is 69 years old. Along with her, there are another 2 complainants, Stephen, son of Sunil Fernandez, and Pascual, son of Pedro was 83 years old, both from Crore. All three from Crore.
FIRs have been registered.
FIR is registered in this case.
In all
Crime
this,
number.
Sushma, Steven and Oscar.
Yes, FIRs have been registered. Now, as per them, between 31/7, that is 31st of July to 21st of October, manager misusing the powers and with the Tanvi, they have transferred total amount of 20,29,000 of this same lady Sushma, whereas in respect of Steven it is 8 lakh rupees, and in respect of Pasquale it is 1,40,000 rupees. 1,40,000 of Pasquale has been transferred in the name of this lady Tanvi in her account. So we have already gone ahead with registration of this offence, and 17 applications of now afternoon have come to the police station. As we have come through the investigation, when you are transferring the money, these senior citizens come to the bank, they fill the form where they want to transfer the money. So while doing this lady used to help them in writing the form and taking their signature. So now they, as per the complainants, they were informed that your money is going for FDs, fixed deposit, and that is why this formalities are required, transfer applications are required to be done. But these people did not get the fixed deposit certificate from the bank. So they were going and asking the bank manager, and bank manager used to say, Tanvi is doing it, you take it from Tanvi, will give you the fixed deposit certificate. And Tanvi never gave the fixed deposit certificates. And they have been going to the bank, and they say that their money is not there in their bank account. This is what has come to light. And here, what is through the bank account to account with that form, taking signature of these people. So that tarikh was when gold was there, she had kept the gold over there in Dhanvarsha gold loan, and though that gold we have recovered from her.
So in one case it was gold which was deposited.
Yes.
In other cases it was transfer of.
It is transfer of money.
नाही गोल्ड वर त्यांनी पैसे काढल्या काय बेस्ट
25 lakhs काढले.
गोल्ड वर
It is a gold loan.
No.
No.
She has not taken any. She has taken any loan from the Dhanvarsha. The accused
Dhanvarsha.
has taken the loan.
Accused has taken it in her own name.
How much?
25 lakhs. We are examining now that we have received, as I said, we have received 17 applications. We are examining the applications all in terms of what exactly is the modus operandi and what has been exactly now swindled in those applications, and so that's why those applications are under consideration for taking legal action into the matter.
All are from Crore.
All are from Crore.
So FIRs will be registered in all these cases.
Yes, we are examining in terms of registration to take it forward.
What is the age of that Stevens?
Steven is 50. Steven is 51 years old, whereas Pasquale is 83 years old. Yeah, Sushma is 69 years old.
हो इन्सिडेंट असा हो 5 दीस पयलीं जाल्लो पूण कंप्लेन केन्ना जाली म्हणजे
The first complaint that we have received is on date 24/11/2024. That is by Rosalina Correa, who is the same lady one who is undergoing treatment for cancer patient undergoing treatment in chemotherapy.
So all these 17 applicants are also senior citizens.
We are examining that. We are examining because those are the applications where they don't write their age. So each application we are examining.
Madam, transferring of that IO is linked because of in this case. PI transfer. IO has been
The transfer of PI is linked with this case only.
Yes, it is. It has come through the media. That is what I would say. Ki this lady, she had come to the police station, but it is coming to the inquiry saying that this lady, even though had come to the police station, she just came saying that bank is not, my money has gone and my gold has been changed. However, the bank is not taking sort of responsibility, and this lady is also saying that okay, I will give, but let it be within your knowledge. And she said, I will give my complaint only when my son returns from abroad. Her son is working in Dubai, and she said after 2 days my son is coming, and I will give my complaint only when the son comes. So this was her request that let my son come. So our version was, as she is a patient of and undergoing chemo, a required support should have been given to her at least on the next day. She came on the earlier day, it was late evening as per the information. So next day at least some support should have been given to her for her to file the complaint, because her money, she is a patient, and her, by taking goodwill of hers, her money has been swindled totally, 5,50,000. Her gold has been exchanged, and we felt that our PI was insensitive towards this issue. However, in this case, what we can, after speaking to her also, what we can again garner that this lady was saying that wait for a while, let my son come, and that is why the PI was in fact waiting. That's what has been found out.